How to find blocked account on Pinterest app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video, and for today's video I'll show you guys how can you find blocked account on Pinterest app. So first thing first, make sure to update your application. If not, head over to your Play Store and then type in Pinterest and update your application, after which you want to go ahead and log into your account. So when you're logged in, you want to go ahead and click the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Then you want to tap on the three dot icon from the top right, and from the drop down menu you want to go ahead and click on settings. As you do it, so you'll be able to find all of these information. So what next you want to do is go to account management. So right on this page you want to click on social permissions. Once you go to social permission, you want to go to message settings. As you do it, so make sure to toggle the button, and at the bottom you could see blocked profile. So when you go ahead and press on it, you could find the contact or the people or friend following whoever that you blocked right over here. So this is the way you could find a blocked account on Pinterest app. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.